HD makeup artists use high-end brands. Non-high definition makeup use drugstore products.
So there's a lot of confusion about HD and non-HD makeup on social media, like I heard in this video. So I wanted to give my opinion on this because I feel it's partially correct but not completely. As per my understanding, HD makeup is the one which highlights and enhances your features and also gives definition and sculpting to the face. Yes, products do matter for finish, but इसमें high-end and drugstore का example are not so right because professional makeup artists do use drugstore products at times. High-end products में भी HD and non-HD होता है. For example, MAC Studio Fix is high-end foundation, but that doesn't give any HD finish like Makeup Forever and any other HD foundation. Similarly, PAC is a mid-range brand, but उसमें भी HD foundations are available and that of some good quality. If you do makeup using only foundation without color correction, sculpting, highlighting, or even baking, that's what non-HD makeup is. Like it used to happen like 12 years ago. So in my opinion, आज के टाइम पे सारे मेकअप ही HD मेकअप कंसिडर करे जाते हैं, irrespective of brand, international हो या Indian हो या professional हो या non-professional हो. It's just the technique and method which have changed. And if I tell you honestly, be it high-end, mid-range, and even drugstore products, some products works like magic and some don't work at all. So yeah, HD makeup is a new normal and she's right on her part about the client budgets and product recommendations, but I thought there were some points missing which needs to be put out there. If you feel there's something wrong in what I said, please do let me know in the comment section below. I'm open to learn about it more.